Good morning, everyone. My name is Samruddha Yogesh Shavatkar, and my topic name is Software Development Lifecycle. So let's get started. Software development lifecycle is a structured process that is used to design, develop a good quality software. SDLC or Software Development Lifecycle is a methodology that defines the entire procedure of the software development step by step. There are various phases in software development lifecycle SDLC, which are planning, defining, designing, building, testing, and deployment. Let's understand these phases in detail. What is software development lifecycle SDLC? SDLC is a process followed for software building within a software organization. SDLC consists of a precise plan that describes how to maintain, develop, replace, and enhance specific software. The lifecycle defines a method for improving the quality of software and the all around development process. There are various stages in SDLC. Let's understand each of these phases in detail. SDLC specifies the tasks to perform at various stages by a software engineer or developer. It ensures that the end product is able to meet the customer expectations and fits within the overall budget. Hence, it is a vital for a software developer to have prior knowledge of this software development process. SDLC software development lifecycle is a collection of these six stages. Each stage in SDLC plays an important role in software development lifecycle process. Stage 1, which is planning and requirement analysis. Planning, defining project scope, objectives, and goals, and resource planning. Stage 2, defining requirements, in which defining functional requirements, technical requirement reviews, and approval. Stage 3, design, in which design HLD and LLD. Stage 4, development, in which development, coding standards, scalable code, version control, and code review. Stage 5, testing, in which system testing, manual testing, and automated testing. Stage 6, deployment and maintenance, in which deployment and maintenance, release planning, deployment automation, maintenance, and feedback. These are in brief stages of software development lifecycle. The SDLC model involves six phases or stages while developing any software. Step 1, planning and requirement. Planning is a crucial step in everything, just as software development. In this stage, requirement analysis is also performed by the developers of the organization. This is attained for customer inputs and sales department market surveys. The information from this analysis forms the building block of the basic project. The quality of the project is a result of planning. Thus, in this stage, the basic project is designed with all the available information. In this phase, planning is done, defining project scope, set objectives and goals, and resource planning. These are all the work which are done in stage 1, planning and requirement analysis. Stage 2, defining requirements. In this stage, all the requirements for the target software are specified. These requirements get approved by the customer or the stakeholders and market analyst. This is used to fulfill by utilizing SRS, which is Software Requirement Specification. This is a sort of document that specifies all those things that need to be defined and created during the entire project, in which defining functional requirement, technical requirement reviews, and approvals from the stakeholders and the customers take places. Stage 3, designing architecture. This is a reference for software designer to come up with the best architecture for the software. Hence, with the requirement defined in SRS, multiple designs for the product architecture are present in the design document specification DDS. This DDS is assessed by market analysts and stakeholders. After evaluating all the possible factors, the most practical and logical design is chosen for the development process. In this phase, design, low level design, and high level design of a specific software architecture is been defined and then get approved by the stakeholders or the customers. Stage 4, developing product. In this stage, the fundamental development of the product starts. For this, developer uses specific programming languages as per the design of the DDS. Hence, it is important for the coders to follow the protocols set by the association. Conventional programming tools like compilers, interpreters, debuggers, etc. are also put into use at this stage. Some popular languages like C, C++, Python, Java, etc. are put into use as per the software regulations. In stage 4, development, coding standard, scalable code, version control, and code review, all things are carried out in this stage. Stage 5, product testing and integration. After the development of the product, testing of the software is necessary to ensure its smooth execution. Although minimal testing is conducted at every stage of SDLC. Therefore, at this stage, all the probable faults are tracked, fixed, and retested. This ensures that all the product conforms the quality requirements of the SRS, which is software requirement specification. Documentation, training, and support. Documentation is an essential part of software development lifecycle. As well, well-written documents acts as a tool and means to information repository necessary to know about the software process, functions, and maintenance. Documentation also provides information about how to use the software, training in an attempt to improve the current or future employee performance by increasing employees' ability to work through learning. Usually, by changing this attitude and developing skills and understanding. In stage 5, which is product testing and integration, system testing, manual testing, and automate testing are the things which are carried out under the stage 5 software development life cycle. Stage 6, deployment and maintenance of the products. After detailed testing, the conclusive product is released in phases as per the organization strategy. Then it is tested in a real industrial environment. It is important to ensure its smooth performance. If it performs well, the organization sends out the product as a whole. After retrieving beneficial feedback, the company releases it as it is worth auxiliary improvements to make it further helpful for the customers. However, this is alone not enough. Therefore, along with the deployment, the product supervision is also a vital role in the software development life cycle. In this stage, deployment and maintenance, release planning, deployment automation, maintenance, and feedback from the customers or the stakeholders are being taken here. Thank you for listening me.